Tuesday, September 20th. Let's see, from that one, you only need pencil. You don't have to worry about pen right now. We're not going to grade them today. I'm going to wait until Thursday to grade them with you because it turns out some kids did not read the story and need more time to work on it, and so I'm trying to be nice, so I figure we'll give you guys to the end and then we'll deal with it tomorrow. It does count as a homework grade, not a quiz grade. So hopefully that might make things a little bit better for you, but because it's the same thing that the Globetrotters and the Stars are all taking the same one today, and so it goes in as homeworky grade to hopefully try and help you out a wee bit. See, if you're wanting to order a shirt, you have until Friday to do so. Volleyball Spirit Game, look for me, I'll be there tonight. And then tomorrow, we are doing an activity where you are going to need both headphones and an iPad. If you don't have headphones, iPad tomorrow, then you are going to end up having homework tomorrow. So I'm just trying to help you not have homework. And I mean, you can always turn on closed captioning if you wanted to, but it might make things tougher.
Is that evil?
It is evil up there. Nicely done. I have to see the kid that missed the trash can. Let me pause this real quick for my kids who are still missing a thing. We're going to come right back to you. Hang on. Alright, so that was covered those kids. As far as that one, we'll get to torture them. But 2 of them were already struggling, but it's the last day for Struggle Town for one of them. And then for story, if you have questions, I was willing to try and offer to help if you had specific questions. If you didn't read it, then you can try and read it before quiz. That's fine with me. But if you had things that confused you, I was going to give you a chance. But it looks like we're just going to stare at me, which is fine with me too. Robert?
Wait, so you can't answer questions, right?
I was getting ready to get a chance to if you have a question.
Wait.
Right, okay. Let's see. If you want to order a shirt, you are still more than welcome to. You have till Friday. If you wait till after Friday, you are going to be out of luck from there. And this.
Wait, who's wearing my shirt?
Speaking of Friday, we are going to do a nonfiction article on Friday. But I had 3 of them that I was going between, and I decided I'm going to let you guys vote on the article as opposed to just me choosing an article. So these were the 3 articles I was looking at, and then I'm going to let you guys vote, and then we'll see which one has the most votes out of all of my classes by the end of the day, and that'll be the one that we do on Friday. So the first article was, should teachers be allowed to interact with kids on social media? Whether it be through video games, Instagram, TikTok, anything like that. Because I have an article where a teacher interacted with a kid on social media in a non-creepy way, but still got fired for it because the idea that if you're a teacher, you should never interact with kids online. And the question is is that a thing you agree with? 2, should we be replacing teachers with robots? Since we've proven that we can now have education without teachers through the use of virtual learning, should that be an area that we move towards? And the idea is that where our future is. And then 3, what being a popular kid in middle school means later in life. There's an article where the scientists interviewed a group of junior high kids and then followed them over 20 years as they became adults and continued to interview them every 5 years to see if what you are in junior high, how much of an impact does that have on you later in life? Whether if you're a dork or popular in junior high, does that actually have an impact on you as an adulty person? So you are going to vote on which one of these 3 articles you think we should read on Friday, and whichever one has the most votes of all of my classes is the one that we will do. All right. Question before you vote? All right. Then when you vote, make sure you raise a hand above your head so I can actually see it. Don't do a chin tickle because I'll just make fun of you. All right. Article 1 about social media. It's in the lead with 1. Article 2 about replacing teachers. It's a tie at 1. And then being popular. And that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, but I have to keep track throughout the day.
He's knowing every class.
Oh!
Right, paying attention. So in this class, it looks like Article 3 was 14, and then the other ones were 1 point and 1. So overall, so far, my grand total is Article 1 is at 8 votes. Article 2 is at 8 votes. Article 3 is at 83 votes. It's really close, but it is looking like apparently the vast majority of people seem to want to do the how will popularity affect me later in life. So as of now, unless 7th period brings in an extra 50 kids, then we'll probably be doing that article coming up on Friday. Go you guys. It has been interesting how like most classes have all felt the exact same way. Yanti?
So, after the test, can we be on our phones?
Yeah, that's fine.
See what it is?
So yeah, after quiz, I don't care if you go on phone or iPad, you do have to put quiz under something. If you don't put it under something, I get to come by and harass you. So that way I know that you're done. So do not get out technology unless you've put it under, I don't even care if you just put it underneath the story or underneath the other thingy or other thingy.
What?
Sebastian.
This will be rated R.
Works for me. And there. We will, after quiz, pick on 3 more of you guys to stand up and do the character setting, plot, point of view thing. Because we have a handful of you. Home children, this is as much of the video as we have because we're now going to take a quiz. And I'm going to let kids take until the end of class because some kids may need that time. Others of you, I think that's it. Let's go ahead and go, bye. Y'all